Good morning, friends. This is Vikram Kode, Assistant Professor of Agriculture Economics, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. In this online learning session, we will focus on very important topic, that is World Trade Organization. So first focus on facts about WTO. So WTO was established in 1st January 1995. Location is Geneva or Switzerland. WTO is created by Uruguay Round Negotiation, that is 1986 to 94. The Director General of WTO is Roberto Azevedo currently. Membership, there are 164 countries are the members of WTO. Purpose of WTO is reduction of tariffs and other barriers to trade. These are the some of the important facts about WTO. So we will focus on organizational structure of WTO. So in organizational structure, first is the ministerial conference meet after every 2 years. So trade in this 2 years, the ministerial conference is again trade policy review body TPRB, general council and dispute settlement body. These are very important for long form also. So general council is again divided into committees or working groups. Council for trade in goods, council for TRIPS, that is trade related intellectual property rights, council for trade in services, council for TRIPS, trade negotiations committees. So these are the organizational structure of WTO. So objectives of WTO. So objectives of WTO is first is promote trade flows by encouraging nations to adopt non-discriminatory and predictable trade policies. Second, raising standard of living and income. Third is the introduce sustainable development. So these are the important objectives of WTO. So functions of the WTO is administering WTO trade agreements, forum for trade negotiations, handling trade disputes, monitoring national trade policies, technical assistance and training for developing countries, cooperation with other international organizations. These are the important functions of the WTO. So then focus on what is the principles of WTO. So there are five principles which are very important. First is non-discrimination. It has two major components. First, most favored nation. So treating other people equally. Second, national treatment. Treating foreigners and locals equally. Second, reciprocity. So binding and enforceable commitments, transparency and safety values. These are the important principles of WTO. Then focus on agreement of WTO. So these are the very important agreement of WTO. First is agreement on agriculture, general agreement on trade in services GATS, the agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, that is TRIPS, agreement on the application of sanitary and phytosanitary measures, SPS agreements, and agreement on technical barriers to trade, TBT agreement, agreement on customs valuation. These are the important agreements of WTO. So this is important for short notes. So thank you friends. Thank you very much.